Hello traders, today is Friday, February 16th. Remember, Monday is a holiday, it's President's Day, so consider this a 3-day weekend. If you're receiving our emails, there's some promotions and some savings that we have now for President's Day. If you're not on our email list, visit Daytradetowin.com, sign up, get a free member account, and you'll be able to get those promotions. You can also email us. I'm happy to send you a promotional code to save you some money. If you're not on our email list, just send an email to support@daytradetowin.com and I'll send you a promotional code. What do we have going on? I added the Trade Scalper and the roadmap. The Trade Scalper are those two signals, double wick long and long. That is indicating a long, so that's good. There's two back-to-back long signals. And I'm really looking at the roadmap next, which price has broken the roadmap by a few ticks. This is a great opportunity to enter long the market. For about 6 ticks, I think that's good. Now let me explain to you the reason why. Price action encompasses a lot of things. One of the things that I look at is price testing where it's previously been. So you can see that the market made a high and it's pulling off the high. So since markets like to test where they've been, so you've heard of the term double tops, double bottoms. In this case, market wants to test the highs where it's been. This is, for me, an opportunity to go long using the Trade Scalper signals. There are 2 of them, and because it broke the roadmap to the upside, it means the market wants to go higher. Now, I don't know how high it's going to go, but this is putting me in a position for at least it testing where the highs, those wicks, have been. So this is the reason why I want to enter long. I'd like to see a target within the next 5 minutes or so, and actually it just hit. So let me just add the text and marker. So we go to data series, we scroll down to plot executions and text and marker, and that's where I entered at 50.33, exited at 50.34.50. So this was a perfect setup. Took me about a minute to make, I don't know, $100, $150, but this is how price action should be traded. Look at multiple things indicating, or multiple methods I should say, indicating to go long or to go short. So we have the Trade Scalper telling us 2 signals to go long. We have the roadmap being broken. We have market at least wanting to test where the highs have been. It's almost like a perfect storm when you think about the way that price action in the markets work. This is very common to see this kind of a situation. Now, will it get all the way up to zone D, which is near 50.51? I don't know. But if it doesn't, it turns around, I'll have more signals for the short side, Trade Scalper, roadmap, Atlas line, blueprint. So I'm covered with that. The only thing I would recommend is not to trade, especially on a Friday and on a 3-day weekend, right until the end of the day. So it would be prudent, beneficial to trade until about 1 or 2 o'clock, because then the market gets slower and slower as we progress for this 3-day weekend. A lot of traders, they stop trading early on Fridays, especially in a weekend holiday that it is. If you have any questions, visit Daytradetowin.com. Sign up for a free member account right on our homepage, free access. Put in your email, and we'll see everyone at the next video. Have a good weekend. Email me if you need a promotional code. I'll send it out to you. Bye-bye now.